Are you a funny teacher or a serious teacher?
Actually, when I teach in a school, my students told me I'm a serious teacher. I'm not often smile to him, to they.
You want to say that you don't smile to them.
Yeah,
You're just a serious teacher like this.
yeah.
I am a serious teacher too.
How's my
Pronunciation?
pronunciation? Yeah.
I think right now you are moving at a simple pace, but the more practice you have, the better and faster you will become.
I think I don't have the logic.
Everyone is capable of achieving anything. You just need to continue to work hard every day and don't take a break. The more you practice, the more comfortable you'll feel and the better you'll be able to speak.
How can I to improve my English skills?
Like this,
This?
like this. Human
Talk.
to human interaction.
What is the means interaction?
To interact with another, it means I speak with you. I speak to you through body language. I type something. I do other things to get your attention.
I see. Thank you.
Like, comment, and subscribe. Click that bell notification. Follow me on HelloTalk. Follow me on Instagram. Subscribe. Am I finished?